Samsung S26 Ultra is already popping up online, and some of the claims sound straight up unreal. A new camera system, insane zoom, maybe even a totally new design direction. But is any of this actually real, or just internet fan fiction? Quick note, this video is based on early leaks, rumors, and concept talk. Nothing is confirmed, but we can analyze what's plausible, what's not, and what Samsung usually does. Samsung's Ultra line is basically the everything phone. Big screen, big battery, big cameras, and the most pro Android experience. So when early S26 Ultra rumors start, it's like the tech world can't look away. Let's start with design. The biggest question. Will Samsung keep the same camera ring look or go for a cleaner back panel again? If Samsung changes anything, it's usually the feel. Flatter sides, lighter weight, better grip, and slightly different camera placement. Here's what I'm watching for. Thinner bezels, more durable glass, and a frame material upgrade, especially if they want it to feel more premium without adding weight. If there's one area Samsung loves to flex, it's the display. For the S26 Ultra, rumors usually point to brighter peak brightness, improved anti-reflective coating, and maybe better power efficiency, so you get a smoother screen without draining battery. Also, expect Samsung to push outdoor visibility hard. If they can make the screen readable in direct sun while saving power, that's a real upgrade. Now, performance. The S26 Ultra will obviously get the next-gen chip, either Snapdragon top-tier globally, or a mix depending on region. The bigger story is AI, on-device editing, real-time summarizing, smarter photo processing, and productivity features that actually save time. For next-gen workflow, here's the point. The best upgrade is when your phone does a task in 10 seconds that used to take 10 minutes. Okay, cameras. This is where the wildest claims always show up. Bigger sensors, improved low light, crazy zoom, and DSLR-level details. Here's what's actually believable. Better main sensor processing, cleaner shadows, less noise, more natural skin tones, a meaningful upgrade to the telephoto because Samsung's Ultra identity is zoom, faster shutter plus, less blur on moving subjects, pets, kids, sports. What's less believable? Huge leaps with no trade-offs. Every time you hear insane zoom with perfect quality, remember, physics still exists. Digital zoom can improve, but it's not magic. Plausible versus hype. Better low light, less motion blur, perfect 200x quality. Battery is where I want Samsung to be aggressive. Even if the capacity stays similar, efficiency gains from the chip and display can make a big difference. Charging is tricky. Samsung tends to be conservative here, so if you see a rumor claiming massive charging speeds overnight, I'd treat that as wait for confirmation. I'm more interested in battery health features and cooler charging, because that affects long-term performance. The Ultra is also about productivity, S Pen, multitasking, DeX-style workflows. If Samsung upgrades anything here, it might be software, better handwriting to text, smarter selection tools, and quicker note-to-summary actions. For this channel, that's the real question. Does the S26 Ultra help you work faster, create faster, and publish faster? Here's how I judge S26 Ultra leaks. If a rumor sounds like a small step that fits Samsung's pattern, it's more believable. If it sounds like a revolution with zero downsides, it's probably a concept or a guess. So don't get pulled into the hype cycle. Use it as a preview of what could matter, then wait for real specs. So, Samsung S26 Ultra, is it real? Some of these ideas are totally possible, some are definitely hype. But the second real leaks start to solidify, we'll break down what's legit, especially the features that improve your day-to-day workflow. If you want the best S26 Ultra updates without the nonsense, subscribe to Next Gen Workflow. And comment below, what's the one upgrade you actually want? Camera, battery, AI, or design?